Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and essentials. First, backup drive and local files to an external USB or cloud so nothing is lost. Once done, sign out of any secondary accounts and make sure you know the Wi-Fi SSID and password to reconnect afterward. Make sure the battery is at least 50% or keep the charger in place. This avoids interruptions. Now, open Settings and find Advanced, then Reset Settings to start the actual power wash procedure. You will now perform the power wash to restore factory defaults. In Settings, go to Advanced, then Reset Settings and tap Power Wash. Confirm each prompt. Chrome OS asks twice to prevent accidental wipes, and choose Restart when prompted. After reboot, select Power Wash again to begin. During the process, the system erases local accounts and returns OS files to original state, so remain patient. Make sure you do not close the lid, press keys repeatedly, or unplug the charger until the reset completes. Once the reset finishes, you'll walk through the initial setup screens. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account, and accept terms. Then reinstall apps from the Play Store or Chrome Web Store and restore files from your backups. If the power wash fails or the device won't boot, use the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer to create a USB recovery image and follow on-screen steps. That recovers firmware and system partitions. If problems persist after recovery, contact Lenovo support for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.